Hey, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Supreme that was collaborated with the Marvin Gaye Skateboard deck. This is the multi-color and it was dropped on the December 13th, 2018. This is for week number 17. So I got this $66 for the deck. The size for the skateboard is 8.25 inch. Handling charge is $10 and then the tax is $6.65. So the total is $82.65 for this deck out of the door. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I'm just gonna cut open on one side. Right, there's nothing on this. Let's go ahead and wow. So you got this skateboard gift bag or shopping bag, pretty long. Got this Supreme box logo right here on the bottom of the truck. And then there's your Marvin Gaye, the singer, Motown singer back in the 60s. Like the title, What's Going On? You know that song, if you're old school. And then this is world famous. And you got the box logo on the top of the deck as well. And there's a small writing right there. See if I try to zoom in. So the photo is taken by that person's name. So be sure you get this sticker. Right there, Fall Winter 18, multicolor, 8.25 inch. And then that is the barcode, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. This is a collectible, so I'm not gonna build this skateboard anyway, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace. Oh yeah, where's the box logo sticker? Let me check this inside. That's messed up. Normally they give you a box logo within the skateboard deck. So I'm not sure why I didn't get any box logo stickers. I'm gonna hit them up with the email and hopefully they send me like one or two box logo sticker. Alright, see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.